Welcome to our channel. If you're facing a Google Play billing error, follow these step-by-step instructions to fix the problem and complete your purchase. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device and make sure you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Go to your device settings, tap Apps or Application Manager, then locate Google Play Store in the list. Step 3. Tap on Google Play Store, then select Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may cause errors. Step 4. While still in storage settings, tap Clear Data to reset the app. This won't delete your account or purchased apps. Step 5. Return to device settings and select Accounts or Google. Tap on your Google account to view sync settings. Step 6. Remove your Google account by tapping the menu icon and selecting Remove Account. Then add it back by tapping Add Account. Step 7. Open Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, select Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods to verify your payment info is current. Step 8. Attempt your purchase again. If errors continue, restart your device and try once more. Contact Google Play Support if the problem persists. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.